Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can turn on the remote control in LG washer dryer Vivace. So as you can see, now I have the information about the remote start is turn it off. How to turn it on? Go to your control panel of your device and hold this button for 3 seconds. Now the remote control is activated. Let's close the door. Okay, sorry, I have to turn off my device because the door was opened. And now the remote control should be activated by after holding this button for 3 seconds. Now the information about the remote control disappear and you can manage your appliance by the smartphone application. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.